Welcome back, Josh Kit Carpenter here. Today was one of the more challenging things I've ever had to do. This style carpentry was somewhat American style in that in America they do these sheets on the roof. Yeah, feeling like an American. The design of this roof is a unique and nice one. All the rafters are exposed, so in the previous parts of the vlogs, we've cut all the rafters and pitched the roof. Now it's time to put these fiber cement sheets up there. That's good. This project has given me a lot of insight and respect for how people do other things. This was quite an interesting project though, to kind of put myself in someone else's shoes and imagine how they do it over in America. It was a good project, this one. I hadn't done anything quite like this. These types of exposed rafter things don't come around much. But I'm glad we got to do it because as hard on the body as it was and mentally, I would 100% do it again. I think the result looks great. And the thought about doing it was way worse than actually being up there.
So he called it marked, so I have to step.
Now the exhausting part was it required quite a lot of concentration, thinking about at all times where my feet were being placed.
Yep. Alright. I think that's in there. One over. Hold on. Get over. Yep.
What do you want, mate?
Nothing. I've tapped it across. We're good.
All happy?
Yeah. I'm gonna go back through and make sure it's all tapped down. And then I'll tap it across.
This is insane.
We struggled for days leading up to this, thinking about how we were going to do these sheets. And it feels good at the end of it all and watching it all finished and wrapped up, being so proud of that work and actually managing to do it and get it done. It all that build up and anxiety of it, it really wasn't as bad as we thought. But it feels really good to have it accomplished and just be really proud of what was done.
Not easy anyway.